Ceci est l'analyse architecturale sur l'adoption du numérique cette semaine, où nous allons au-delà des gros titres pour examiner les schémas architecturaux qui façonnent la transformation numérique. Cet épisode se concentre sur l'adoption de l'IA interpilier dans le domaine stratégique et comment cela crée du stress dans l'intelligence artificielle et la cybersécurité. Je suis le Dr Darren. Analysons cela. Aligning AI strategies with operational goals is crucial for progress. Misaligned decision rights can disrupt execution. For example, a major telecom faced delays due to insufficient AI training. Meanwhile, cybersecurity risks are on the rise. Teams feel overwhelmed by AI-related threats. Companies encounter more attacks when they can't tackle new AI vulnerabilities. Integrating AI in mergers and acquisitions can unlock growth opportunities, but it needs careful oversight. This isn't a failure of capability, it's a failure of decision-making. You're at a crossroads. The choices you make today will shape your future. The strategies you develop now could either strengthen or weaken your organization's transformation efforts. A clear pattern emerges under pressure, revealing how decisions can fail. This week, a major telecom delayed operations due to insufficient AI training. This highlights the importance of clear decision rights. Teams may find themselves facing slower decision-making and greater execution risks. Such situations complicate compliance boundaries within your architecture, impacting governance directly. For your team, ineffective AI integration can reduce adaptability and increase vulnerability. You might see this as just a tooling issue. It's really about ownership and responsibilities that drive outcomes. Organizations lacking proper oversight in AI integration risk eroding their decision rights structure. Remember, without effective management, clarity can fade. Speed without governance leads to chaos. This is an organizational challenge. The strategic domain connects decision rights with operational goals. Misalignment here can cause major operational delays. Just think about project timelines. Confusion about authority can slow everything down. Then, there's the danger of underestimating cybersecurity threats from AI misuse. Without proper oversight, breaches can become more common. This puts your organization's financial health at risk. Also, if AI isn't effectively integrated during mergers and acquisitions, you miss out on potential synergies. These could boost efficiency but end up untapped. It's more than just a tools issue. It's about the key decisions shaping your organization's future. Poor decision-making raises cybersecurity risks and limits operational adaptability. By understanding these as governance issues, your team can enhance responsibility and clarity. This isn't a failure of capability, it's a failure of decisions. Defining clear roles and responsibilities is crucial for sustaining transformation. With improved governance structures, teams gain confidence and build resilience against today's challenges. This week's developments underscored serious vulnerabilities in AI systems. A major incident showed how attackers exploited poorly integrated AI, putting cybersecurity at risk. This failure resulted in more breaches and complicated quick response strategies. Without proactive security measures, your team faces increased risks. Ignoring these vulnerabilities can delay crucial approvals for security upgrades. Confusion over security responsibilities can hinder swift actions. This situation highlights issues in both strategic and organizational areas, revealing gaps in decision-making and accountability. Many teams focus on quick tech fixes, but the real challenge is clarifying management roles for AI-related risks. If decision rights for AI security aren't clear, effective risk management struggles before any preventive steps can be implemented. A strong approach is to reinforce the compliance boundary around AI. This boundary defines roles and accountability, which are vital for addressing emerging threats and enhancing your security posture. Remember, this isn't just a tech issue, it's a decision-making crisis that needs urgent attention. Organizational stress impacts cybersecurity decisions directly. We've seen a rise in AI-related vulnerabilities that threaten security. Recently, attackers have leveraged AI in sophisticated cyber attacks, leading to major data breaches. If we don't address these vulnerabilities, response times will increase, delaying approvals for essential security measures. This adds pressure on both strategic and organizational aspects. When decision rights lack clarity, it leads to fragmented ownership of security tasks, making quick responses difficult. Many teams tend to focus solely on tech solutions, but the real issue is unclear management responsibilities regarding AI threats. If it's not clear who owns AI security protocols, risk management efforts will struggle, and preventive actions won't take root. To bring stability, it's crucial to strengthen your compliance boundaries. This will define roles and responsibilities, vital for facing new threats and enhancing your organization's security posture. Remember, this isn't just a tech problem. It's fundamentally about making better decisions. Organizational stress is impacting edge computing decisions. Companies now see the need for effective integration of edge computing for real-time processing. This is particularly important in decentralized manufacturing, where speed is essential. Without investment in these capabilities, approvals for key initiatives can face delays. This leads to fragmented ownership of important projects. The stress primarily affects the strategic and process domains. Misalignment in decision rights can cause missed opportunities and inefficiencies. Many teams concentrate on technical specifications when evaluating edge solutions. Yet the real challenge is securing executive commitment for AI investments. Without clear executive support, operational efficiency can drop, falling short of market demands. A key solution is to establish a compliance boundary. This boundary needs to clearly outline decision rights for AI integration. It promotes accountability, which is crucial for fast and efficient decision-making. This ensures teams stay aligned with strategic goals and make informed choices. This is more than a technology issue. It's all about effective decision-making and proper delegation of responsibilities. A consistent challenge exists across our key areas. It revolves around decision rights and operational autonomy. Leaders must find a balance between control and flexibility in technology projects. Fragmented ownership emerges as a major issue. This often leads to delays in AI governance and slows down cybersecurity and edge computing efforts. Many feel unclear about their roles within these initiatives. Clear accountability in AI protocol implementation is essential to move forward. For your portfolio, defining decision rights goes beyond just policy. It aligns ownership with strategic goals, allowing for effective prioritization. First, stabilize decision rights. This sets the stage for smooth execution of your AI and edge strategies. Focusing on decision-making clarity tackles the deeper challenges in execution. 3 key choices stand out for leaders this week. First, align decision rights for AI integration or maintain fragmented decision-making. When you align these rights, you boost accountability, speeding up project development. Clarity here helps your team avoid misalignment and save resources. Next, consider whether to centralize AI training initiatives or let teams develop training independently. Centralizing training leads to consistent competencies and lowers security vulnerabilities. If your teams train in silos, you risk creating skills gaps that hurt operational effectiveness. Finally, prioritize cybersecurity within AI initiatives, or risk overlooking it for speed. By focusing on security, you strengthen your defenses against potential breaches and minimize financial risks. Ignoring this priority could lead to costly security incidents for your organization. These choices are crucial for guiding strategic alignment and maintaining momentum in your transformation efforts. The pattern is clear. Fragmented decision rights make AI integration challenging. You play a vital role in establishing oversight and accountability. Think about the delays in AI governance that affected cybersecurity. For your next steering meeting, focus on defining who owns these decisions. Next week, we'll dive deeper into how decision-making structures impact strategic outcomes. Cela conclut la plongée approfondie architecturale de cette semaine. Si vous avez apprécié cet épisode, veuillez nous donner 5 étoiles sur votre plateforme préférée ou YouTube. Et si vous souhaitez aller plus loin, rejoignez notre communauté sur Patreon. Cherchez Embracing Digital. D'ici là, je suis le docteur Darren. Continuez à poser des questions difficiles et continuez à embrasser la révolution numérique.